Hey everyone, my name is Sydney from Capital Presence, and today I'm going to be giving you a quick tutorial on how to share your screen in a Microsoft Teams meeting. Thanks so much for watching, stay tuned. So guys, I'm in a Microsoft Teams meeting here. I don't have my camera on right now because I am filming this video for you, but otherwise you would see yourself here and then all of your other participants. Now, when you want to share your screen, it might be super helpful if you're going over a PowerPoint or trying to, give instructions to one of your other team members on something. It is a helpful tool to share your screen, and you're just going to find that right up at the top here where it says share and the little arrow, and you're going to click that. Now it's going to come up with a few different options for you. You can either share a specific document that you've been working on. Those are going to pop up here, and that will share the full PowerPoint presentation. So we can click that. And that's actually going to bring PowerPoint in to Microsoft Teams and pull up that presentation for you to share, and you'll see that it is sharing because that little stop sharing button is going to pop up, and you would just run through that like a normal PowerPoint for everybody to see. It is going to give you the option to pull up Microsoft Whiteboard as well. This is a great tool when you're working with a team. You can create a new whiteboard or already start one. And this is just a super easy way to collaborate with your team members. You can add in text and notes and reactions, documents, links, color anything here. And this is just a great way to keep track if you're brainstorming or anything like that, to have everything in one place and kind of do it the more traditional way. You can click stop sharing when you want to get out of that. And then lastly, if you just go back to that screen window or tab option. Now it is going to give you the option to share your entire screen. That would include everything that you see here, or a specific window. If you had something pulled up, say a specific document, you would just be sharing that specific document, or you can share a specific tab here and all of your tabs would be listed out, and then you can choose the one that you want to share from there. So I'm going to share my screen here for just a second. And you'll know that it's sharing just because this little stop sharing button will pop up at the bottom for you. There also is going to be kind of a either red or yellow rectangle around your screen, just to indicate that you are in fact sharing your screen. And then in order to stop sharing it, you would just click this stop sharing button here. So guys, that is how you're going to share your screen on Microsoft Teams. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next week.
Hey there! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest videos from Capital Presence.